Hello everyone, and today I just want to tell you guys that I'm doing an end of the world stream on the 18th of April 2018, April the 18th 2018 at 4:20 p.m. Central Time. Right now you're seeing a little thing, and then I'll link a countdown in the description. But what you're seeing right now is what will be shown during the first 20 minutes of the stream, which will be from 4 p.m. to 4:20 p.m. And I'm gonna stream for I don't know, maybe about 4 or 5, 6, 7 hours or something along that. And yeah, it's just gonna be an end of the world stream where I'll be playing some games on there. It'll be like different parts of games. I'll have Half-Life Part 5 on there, Half-Life 2 Part 3, maybe Little Inferno Part 1, and I'll have the full stream, and then I'll have itty bitty segments of it. So yeah, that's about it for this video. But oh wait, no, it's not. I want to ask you guys, should I open a Patreon account so y'all can donate, and y'all can donate any amount monthly, like $1 a month, and which will result in better videos. I'll build my own PC gaming setup tour soon whenever I get ready to move. Build my computer and put it in there with the L-shaped desk and the TV in there too. Show you all the capture card, the computer, the keyboard, my mouse, and my 2 monitors set up, and then just basically a laptop and a monitor. And then when I can afford it all, I'll build a computer for $800. I'll get another monitor. I get 2 other monitors and move them in there in the other room. I'll sew stuff in there so I can clear the space out. Maybe I'll get a green screen or something. I'll do it a couple times. Something. I don't really know if I'm gonna do face cam videos or not. Should I do face cam videos? That's another question that I'm asking right now. So yeah, that's really all for this video. Yeah, simple, short, sweet, good. And that's the time of recording this. It's 9 days until the world ends. So yeah, see you all the 18th of this month.